Hello South Africa. Today is Wednesday, March 16, 2022, and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. 3 main ways the economy could be affected by Russian invasion. The Deputy Minister of Finance David Masondo said South Africa could be affected by the conflict between Russia and Ukraine by 3 main channels while speaking at the National Assembly debate on the matter on Tuesday, March 15. Masondo said the first channel was the prospect of persistent supply and demand imbalances, which could drive inflation higher and tighten market conditions. He pointed out that, as other members of parliament mentioned, there have already been sharp increases in the price of crude oil, maize, meat, and sunflower oil due to supply-side disruptions. Government breaks its promise, as state of disaster extended in South Africa. And here, we learn the true value of a promise from the ANC. Just 1 month after insisting that the February extension of the state of disaster would be South Africa's last, lockdown laws were again prolonged for an additional month on Tuesday morning. The move marks a meek flip-flop from the government, who just a few weeks ago were talking up the chances of moving away from emergency measures. Mzansi's COVID numbers are approaching record lows, and statistically speaking, there's never been a better time to end the state of disaster. Kulula BA flights could return sooner than you think. It's only been a few days since the South African Civil Aviation Authority, SACA, announced it will be grounding all Kulula and British Airways BA flights indefinitely. Comair, which operates both airlines, had expected SACA to resume flights on Sunday afternoon, March 12, 2022, a day after suspending them for 24 hours. The decision to halt flights was prompted by safety concerns flagged by SACA, including incidents of engine failures and landing gear malfunctions. The decision has undoubtedly left some BA and Kulula passengers stranded, who were then urged to make alternative arrangements, including rebooking their flights on later dates. SACA's executive for corporate services Findayo Gwebu weighed in on just how soon they were to giving Comair the green light to resume all Kulula and British Airways BA flights. Shocking video of professor shot dead while jogging. While the motive for the shooting of Professor Mohammed Saber Tayob is not yet known, a video has emerged showing how he was brutally gunned down while jogging. The 51-year-old chartered accountant and associate professor at the University of Limpopo was shot several times, 8-10 times, while jogging on Mannik Avenue in Polokwane on Sunday morning. The video footage shows him jogging on the side of the road verge when a white VW Polo stopped next to him, and a passenger disembarked and shot Tayob several times at point blank. Woman uses sanitizer to wash her privates in debonair. That's it. We've had enough pandemic for one lifetime. Dismantle the hand sanitizer stations and let's just get back to how we used to be, because this cannot become a regular thing. Viewers have been left in disbelief after footage of a woman casually performing a wash and go routine in a debonair branch went viral. The pizza specialists haven't yet commented on the incident, which allegedly took place on Friday, March 11. But then again, what could they possibly say? The CCTV footage shows that, at roughly 18:51, this woman decided to use the facilities in the most inappropriate way possible. This is Leah for the South African.